Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this passion twist using an extension to achieve this style. So this is the extension I'm going to be using for this style and my straw to also be able to achieve this style. So when making this hair, you cut out the section you want and make sure your hair is tangle free to give you a good result. So you place the straw in between your extension and you twist it. Make sure the extensions are firm on your hands. You twist it a little bit and you turn it over the straw. You also twist it again and turn it over the straw. So you're just basically going to be doing this round the straw till the end of the extension, So make sure that while doing this, you are not going to put so much pressure on the straw. If not, it's going to frustrate you and you won't be able to achieve the style that you want. So that's the first trick. When turning this round, you wouldn't press the straw. As you can see, I'm not like pressing the straw, I'm just holding it gently, softly, and I'm not pressing the straw. If not, it's going to be so difficult for me to turn around it and the straw is going to keep on bending. And people tend to make this mistake because I made a mistake, but I actually got the trick. So make sure you also wrap it up when you get to some parts, because you are not just turning it around, you're not just trying to achieve a coil, you are trying to get a spring also. And also don't forget, it's meant to be joined together since you want to achieve a spring twist. So for this, to be able to seal my ends, I just use my extension to seal the end. I use the extension by itself to seal the end. So you can also use a rubber band, you can also use a bobby pin, you can also use a thread, you can use another extension, but I used the extension itself to secure itself, and I used bobby pin. For some of them, my bobby pins were not enough, so if you have enough bobby pins or rubber band, you could definitely put it on all of them, because it's going to help hold the extension even while the hot water is being poured on it, so it won't just go loose like that. So going over it again, at this point I already got used to it, and I was just basically turning my extension round I was just basically turning the straw around my hands because I already got used to it. So please, if at this point you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video as this video is helpful, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post another video. I'm actually going to post another video on what I use this my extension to do, so get ready for that video. It's coming up soon, and don't forget to subscribe to be able to notify you whenever I post any of my video on this channel. So this is what your twist, this is what the twist is actually going to look like. This is how the coil should look like. So after this, I just said to trim off the excess hair that were coming out from the twist, from the coils. I just said to trim the excess hair that were coming out to make it more neat. And my water was boiling, so when my water was already boiled, I poured it over the extensions. I had to do this, and make sure while doing this your hair is totally dipped into the water. As you can see, I'm just trying to put and make sure everything goes into the hot water. And don't forget to use your conditioner here. Put your conditioner into the water, so that it's going to make it easy for you when you're trying to unravel the extension. I used my Tresemme conditioner for this extension. In this video I use my Tresemme conditioner. The conditioner actually helps a lot. So a drying it could stay for 24 hours, but to speed up the process you could use a hand dryer, but I didn't use a hand dryer though. I just let it to dry, and it took me for like a day. And so being able to unravel it, you just do this. Yeah, it's not going to take so much to unravel from your straw. You're just basically pulling it out of it. But I feel like if you use a skewer stick or a different thing, you'll need to be like maybe very careful when unraveling it. Just take it little at a time. So this is what our spring twist actually looks like. Don't it look beautiful? As you can see. And you can use this extension for butterfly locks, crochet on ponytail, different kinds of locks. So I'm going to be using this for butterfly locks, of which I'm going to be uploading the video next after this. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video, as I'm going to be uploading another video on how to achieve these butterfly looks. Thank you. Bye.